All right, so we've had a couple of people ask. I've got my ladder together. I've got my hardware in the top. I've got my hardware in the bottom down here. I've got the two outside bolts in. They're loose, but I can't get the other bolts in because they don't line up with the bracket. They're just a little bit off. I don't know if you can see it, but they're just a little bit off. The bar looks like it's bending downward. So for some people, they can't get it lined up. They try to get it in there. So here, I'm gonna show you the easiest trick, the easiest solution. I've got a big crescent wrench. I have a rag. I've sized the crescent wrench to slide over the corner of the step, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put pressure on this. This is going to bend this up, and I'm gonna insert the screw into the back of here. Oops. This is taking 3 people, 1 to hold the camera, 1 to hold the wrench, and 1 to turn the Allen wrench. It's kind of like tightening the light bulb. Same thing with this other side. It's not lined up. I'm going to slide the crescent wrench over the top with the rag around it. I'm just going to apply pressure on it. Screws are in. Everything's tight. You can go back and tighten the top. The bottom plate was already tightened and everything's ready to go. So that is the easiest way to get those last 2 screws in, to make it where if you just have somebody put pressure on the wrench, they can get those 2 inner bolts. Again, thanks for watching. I hope that helps you.